So hello, in my next video we are still working on our Junkers kettle. Okay, let me just show you what is the kind. It is ZSB22 and etc. etc. It's not so important, but just to make video more relevant or more technically oriented. And what is the problem? Here is our problem for today. Is it visible? Yes, it's visible a little bit. Here we have a cable, probably coming from aquithermic regulation, aquithermic controller, which is on the upstairs. But problem is that this routing of the protective gooseneck, we call it gooseneck. The routing is wrongly done because I would like. Okay, I need to do different side. Yes, here you could see that here I would like to finish this covering, this plastering, but this neck is coming a little bit like hoaxy pokesy, so it's not laid out. So my intent is only to open this cover, just to open this cover and rearrange or modify the layout of this cable. This is only my today's challenge. Okay. But this screw is not the right one. I'm still mystified with these screws here. But this is not the right one. Okay. But I need to change my screwdriver because this is not the correct one. This smaller one is better. The smaller the better. Strange. Very, very strange. Okay, and the last one is here. This is always very complicated approach because it is really very complicated. And one is here as well. Okay. This is very difficult to discover. Okay, but today is coming quite smoothly. I'm just checking if all the screws are released. In fact, this could be there, but they are released. Now I see that it's coming. Because here are such a slicing rails, so this is the most critical point. This side, this right side from your view or left side, I don't know if there is mirroring in camera. Okay. Okay. Now it's going. Perfect. So here we are. This is the cable, but the cable is something is smells here. here is, by the way, is it visible? No. Basically just here is the USB stick for coding. Okay, it's closed. For coding the power, because we have different let me do it like this way. We have different power models. Yes, and this USB stick encodes the power by, I think there are only resistors. Yes, where is the camera here? You could see, where is the camera here? There are only 3 resistors, and when you know the capacity, the resistance of different resistors, you can just switch another coding. Yes, and here we have this thermostat or ectothermic regulation. I'm going to dismount this ectothermic regulation like this way, but I need to disassemble all these things here. Okay. I'm not sure. Perfect. Okay. Basically, we need to disassemble all these things. 1, 2. Okay, now it's released. I will just pull out all this cable, and I will try to find a better way. Okay, it's visible almost nothing, because also I can't see anything that what I'm doing here. It's just basically matter of sensing, but technically I don't see anything here. I need to discover more how it's possible to lead the system. Okay, but it is really tough. What about this way? Is it possible? Okay, it is possible. It is possible, but it will be very big challenge now. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Good. Great. This is a great job. Yes. Now we have here. You don't see anything probably, but we have a much better, much convenient position. And my temptation is to buy on this one and buy on this. Okay. Let me check if it's possible like this way. Okay. Looks good. Looks very, very good. My hand is too thick. My hand is too thick. Sometimes tiny hands are very convenient in such job. Sometimes you need to control your muscles. Okay. This is my, let's say, the best positioning In fact, the best positioning ever. I'm going to check it. Okay, it's like a little bit crazy. It becomes a little bit crazy, but it's not so big, not so much crazy. Here is question if this is good way. Probably I will play a little bit longer. I think that you don't see anything on the video, so I will stop temporarily. Okay, we are back. Finally, I laid out the protection or shield protection shield correctly, and now I have very nicely laid out also the cable, which I'm going to connect back here on BB. Nobody was BB, but anyway, even if you do mistake, it should be like idiot resistant. But it must be BB. BB means bus, by the way, and there is Heatronic, very proprietary bus, Heatronic, but it is not very reliable system. Okay, something is wrong. Maybe it's possible to disconnect. Okay, I'm gonna try to disconnect just okay. Now it's okay. Good. Perfect. Okay. This is crazy. Okay, so now I'm going to apply zip ties a little bit, like to lay out this cabling a little bit better. Okay. Okay, I need to bring new zip ties. Okay, great. First of all, we need to apply the cover. Okay. This bullshit was... oh, okay, now it's good. Okay, and secondly, we can lay out a little bit. I don't want to add this one cable. Yes, because this one cable will be my second project. This cable is power cable for this Grundfos circulation pump, but this is not fully electronic circulation pump, so I'm going to apply PWM controlling circuit. It's somewhere here, but I cannot find it now. In front panel, somewhere here. Maybe I could do it right now, but this I want to have a separate video about this. But first of all, I need to find it out because it is lost. Somewhere it's lost. Somewhere it is lost. Nowhere. Okay, so welcome back. I'm not sure because video switched off suddenly, but I'm not sure that what is captured in my previous video stream. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to add also this simple modification, and it is about PWM controlling. Okay, camera. PWM controlling of this Grundfos circulation pump. Unfortunately, only here is suitable position to be touchable from rear front. I'm going to check. Okay, here is not possible, and maybe we can open this cover again. For this reason, to check if there is possibility to put it inside, because to put it inside would be the best solution. External solution is not good because it's not covered. This cover is IP66 or 67 maybe. It's fully waterproof resistant cover, therefore it's going so fucking bad. But yes, but other parts are not protected against the water. So, and this device is also not well protected at all. It's like a naked device, and we have also no space to create some construction, probably, to put it in such kind of black box, like IP66 at least black box. Yes. Okay, I put this one away a little bit. It's always troublemaker, this cover. I just check if there are no screws or what. It's so sticky. But now it's really great sticky. Okay, now it's going. Maybe. Okay, this wasn't good. And the best idea. I have no. Okay, this is very tiny screw. I cannot use it. I need another tool. Tooling is always my problem. Everything what I I need a lot of tools usually. I'm not... Okay, now it's much simpler, because correct place is like miracle. Okay, let me check what is, if there is any opportunity directly here. I don't know what is this one. What is this one? Ah, okay. This one we can disconnect basically. This one is for secondary pump, but currently we are not using this one. Let me do it like this way, because this design is a little bit obsolete. Okay, this is just big. I need another one, another screwdriver. Took just directly two screwdrivers, because I don't know that which one is the correct one. Okay. No, I'm not sure. No. Even this no. Okay. So put it back. I will try. Ah, okay. Here is also a neutron. It's just here, not. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Step by step we can disassemble this bullshit. Okay. Now this bullshit becomes to be available. And okay. And now there is a question. Quite a serious question. If there is a space for this element implementation, this one, I don't know what is this one. Aha, this one is the pump. This one is the pump, internal pump. So here is. Okay, let me rearrange a little bit these bullshits. Aha, it's not possible, because only what we can rearrange is this one here. Only this one can be rearranged. The power. Okay. This one cannot be rearranged because it's different. This one also cannot be rearranged. But let me simulate. What if, okay, if there is possibility to get a space, most likely not. Most likely not. It's too big. It's too big. It's too big. Okay, let me check from other perspective. I just need to play with it a little bit. Yeah, but maybe it's out of this video because we have basically two options. One option is that we are able to put it inside. The other option is that we use this side part. But my preference is to put it inside this fully water resistant cover. But we will see only final result because display could take even couple of hours, even couple of days, who knows, because I would like to go for a gym now, and I need to interrupt. My camera wasn't switched on, so this is my final modification. I lost a little bit of my work because my camera was switched off. Okay, now it's quite crazy situation. One is visible, but another one, it's quite problematic. Let me recheck if it's possible. I need something different to make a but I don't know what. I know what I'm doing here. Here is excellent tool for this, coming from my from my private dental chair, and now it will be very useful for marking, scratching, and marking. Okay. Is it visible something? Yes, it's visible. Visible, I just do not, I have no idea how to get the point in the middle. Maybe I need a micro, something micro. I mean, this tool could be good, I just need to find proper. No, I have good luck. Yes, looks to be okay. It's fitting. Okay. Oh, now I think that this can be disconnected or not. Let me check if it's possible to disconnect somehow this one. Yes, it's possible. Perfect. Just don't forget it. Don't forget put it back, because anyway, it's just passive part and here is active part, and there should be good protection. Okay, let me check now, because I think that let me check now, but in that way that I will create visible marking in the middle. Nice. And then I will check if it's nice symmetrical or not. No, it's a little bit aside. It's a little bit aside. Okay. Okay. Once more time. Middle part. We have some chips here. Just one chip. Now it looks much better. Okay, still controlling because it is like blind making, but this looks good. I don't know, maybe size is not enough, but it doesn't matter so much. What does that we need to create the second hole nicely aligned with the first one. But it looks to be aligned. It's going aside. It still slipped. Okay, just recheck what correction is needed. Yes, it's needed a little bit up correction. Okay, let me check. Okay, but I forgotten color. Because without color I can't see anything. Okay, now I need to use this camera a little bit. Okay. it's not good, because it's obviously it's not aligned. Okay. Okay, let me check now this way. Looks much better. Looks much better. Okay, but we can continue in that direction. Okay, good. This job is done. We cannot correct it now so much. But I think that it's okay. It's okay, and now we need just 3.5 maybe. It's 3.0, but okay, let's try with 3.0 with exact size. 3.0. And basically we could do, and we will see if it's possible to mount it. It's possible. So I just need to put my gloves down, because now here is something scrappy. Okay, now there is just cannot see. I need a little bit. Okay, now for this moment I need to arrange everything back to be able to close the lid temporarily, because now I have to operate from front side. To see the correction must be done. Okay, we need do we have some correction elements here? Maybe this one. Okay. Because the second hole must be corrected against the first one. Okay. 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 We will see. Okay, I need something for mounting. Okay, no, it's not working. It's not working. Oh my gosh, where is it? Here, but it's going too bad. I need to correct it. I need to make much greater corner correction. Okay. Let me check now. Still slowly corrected. Mm-hmm. 3.3.0. Let's say try with 3.0. Okay, now here we do some specific correction that we enhanced 3.5. I'm not sure if it's not too big. 3.5. It's too big. It's too big. Have a little bit spacing here, a little higher volatility. Okay, down. The correction must go down. Down, or this must go up. This little bit up and this one a little bit down. Oh. Okay. Maybe it's enoughly corrected. Okay, and this is only mechanical part, but always mechanical part is much more complicated than electrical part. It is like always the same situation. Voila. Bottom one. Okay, now I think that it's quite good. But it's a little bit, anyway, it's a little bit bended. No, nothing special. But it's working, because anyway we can touch, or we can try to find out another knob, but I think that also the hole for the knob is not enough. This we can enlarge. Maybe it could release the stress. Oh my gosh. Okay, never mind. We used 7 point or C7 or 6.5. Okay, we can use 7. Okay, let me check now. It is much greater. Okay, and we can also apply this one. Okay, it will be a little bit bended anyway, because the surface is not totally good. Although this knob is, the design of this knob is not good, because it's touching on both sides. But never mind, I will create another knob. But this is the finish of the mechanical design. I think, because mechanically is everything correct. Yes. Okay, but there is, now I'm searching for another screw. basically this is the job for today. Okay, they're good. Okay. Just this knob is not fit very well, but I will try to find out a different knob. Okay. Then what's the next? The next is to connect the electric system. Basically, one connection is here. And another connection we need to create. It's only double cable because the first connection is grounded, stays grounded. This one don't need to be grounded, in fact. We need to pull out neutral and pull out phase. Okay, I'm going to find some cables and maybe I can do it. Okay, so welcome back. Now we have mechanically fixed the PWM controller, and I just disattached the power cord. Okay, it's not visible in this angle. I just disattached the power cord, but this is everything is like bullshit because nothing is disassemble, possible to disassemble. So I've decided to do such a hoax that I just cut off the second insulation, and I will try to put out the cables, the wires, step by step, and I need just keep the grounding wire to be grounded the circulation pump, or basically the electronic, and I hope, yes, it's working. And this was the easier part. The other part will be just pull in, but maybe I can extend the hole now. Okay, I will extend the hole because this is like prefabricated piece. I cannot do anything with this. Maybe let me check, but it's not possible to do 3 cables. I need to extend a hole probably, because I need to pull in another 3 cables. and then I can also link this by sticky material. Here is the cable what I need to pull in, and it's thicker. It's thicker, so I need to extend the hole. I will extend the hole, then I will put the external cables, and this will be cut through to get more volatility, because I need to split out this grounding cable which stays here, and these power cables which are going to my PMW modulator, which is on other side here. Is it visible? No, it's not visible. Yes, here is PMW modulator. It will go like here, so I need to cut off. I don't think so that it is necessary to capture everything, because my battery is going to dead. Is killing softly. So I will do just without evidence, without camera, and then you will see the final solution. I'm not sure if it will work or not. So hello, welcome back. We are continuing. Meanwhile, I maybe made some steps. Okay, just let me show. Here I used a heat gun to make this bushit softer, and then I came through a new wire, and the old ground wire from old system, and this design is quite good, I think, because it is almost like the original one. Okay. Okay, this is correct. Okay, this is correct position. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to install the ferrules on both ends. Okay. Okay, here is something strange, because here is some kind of I'm not sure. It's cutting through. Okay, so I will install two ferrules here, one here and one here. Maybe yeah, this is smaller diameter. I'm going to grab another one, so it should be okay. So let me check the orange one. Yeah, this is smaller one, this is 0.5 I think, and that one was 0.75. Yes, but the smaller one is still okay. So I will exchange more proper ferrules, only 0.5. Diameter is okay. One is done. Second one is done as well. Okay. And Now the cables are marked by numbers. Number 2, let's say, will be, what will be, it is up to me. I would like to say, okay, let me check the number 1. Okay, number 1 is phase and number 2 is neutrum, because it's more convenient for me. It's more convenient to use it. So number 2 is neutrum, number 1 is phase. Okay, now it's connected. Let me move the video. Okay, but you couldn't see. So camera is still turning me off. I don't know, maybe memory is full or something like this. Okay, good, very good. So now we have enough length of the cable. And this cable, okay, this cable is coming. How is coming? Strange coming. Okay, this cable will be the first one, then this one will be the second one, and somehow like this way. Okay, it looks good. And final step is to connect. The junction point of this PWM controller, and here we have all cabling what we need. Now I think that it should be opposite direction. Okay, a little bit strange, but never mind. Okay, I can put it like here. Okay, it doesn't matter so much. I just need to finish this one, but memory capacity is very limited. So I need to switch off the video. So welcome back. I will try to do it. Here is the motor, or the wire coming from motor. This is number 2, this is number 1. I will connect, but anyway you don't see anything. I think that I can do it without because I have to move camera somewhere else. So finally I will make just final video, if it's working or not. Still it's opened, everything, just to see. I just removed the original power cable to this Grundfos. Just put within in the path of the original power cable. That's sorry, this one is original power cable, is going to input, and from output is going this O-flex, piece of O-flex coming, these blue ones coming to the equipment. Now I will close it. Okay, but I just have here a little bit trouble somewhere with and closing it. Okay, and I will try if it's working. Now the power is almost 0. You can listen. Here is full power. And here is reducing power. So obviously it's working, maybe from this perspective. And here is full power. So, here is maybe, it's hard to say, because I don't know that what is the, if there is any flow or not, but I will see if it's working. But it can save a lot of money, because I can switch it off, because the original power stages are 40 watts, 60 watts and 80 watts, and even 40 watts is too much, when you deliver let's say the energy from this kettle. It's too much, because it means a lot of liters per minute, and it is not necessary to have such Perform Grundfos. I'm using this high performance only in case, because here I have full electronic Grundfos, but I'm using it only in case of loading this warm water reservoir, but then I use only the number one, like this one. Yes, and this one is more than enough. Number one consumes around 5 or 6 watts, and it's still enough to deliver me the heating within my house. So this improvement can save me a lot of money, because when I consider that this kettle is burning 80% of winter time, 20% I have this wooden kettle, yes, and maybe 20% like right now when I'm working here, I have just time to put wood in the wood kettle, and I have also rest of the wood here, and I need to spend it, but then only this gas kettle will be working. And when I consider this electric consumption, it's really very obsolete design that they don't use electronic pump in time when it was reachable, because I bought this 7 years ago, this set, and there is still very obsolete Grundfos. And basically this Grundfos, it is 80% of whole consumption, because this electronic board, it has almost no consumption. And also fan is a little bit, yes, here fan is also a problem, but fan is not so big problem, because consider that fan is working only when kettle is working, only when there is heating up, but cyclic time is like 20% dead time, and 80% dead time, and 20% is heating up, because it's very perform kettle. And it means that this is working only 20% of time, but this Grundfos is still working, because it must be still circulating in order to delivering actual temperature somewhere here on sensor system. Somewhere here there are the sensors, antitheses, and the antitheses are blind, when they don't have fresh water delivered from the radiators. And also there is ectothermic regulation. Something can be set up in ectothermic regulation, like when there should be like satisfactory temperature or totally satisfactory or absolute satisfactory temperature, then the circulation pump switch off. But it is very hard in Heatronic 2. It's very hard to let's say program such conditions. Usually this pump is still working. And now I modified this pump a little bit, and I hope that it saved me little money for electric expenditures. So thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope that I motivate you how to improve something what is really very bad design.